Do not attempt to adjust your radio, as the sounds that you're hearing are due to KLOVE being taken over by two Australian brothers.
G'day to you, I'm...
The civil authorities have issued a required written test for all of Connecticut, all of District of Columbia, all of Delaware, all of Florida, all of Georgia, all of Indiana, all of Kentucky, all of Massachusetts, all of Maryland, all of Maine, all of Michigan, all of North Carolina, all of New Hampshire, all of New Jersey, all of New York, all of Ohio, all of Pennsylvania, all of Rhode Island, all of South Carolina, all of Virginia, all of Vermont, and all of West Virginia beginning at 11:01 a.m. and ending at 12:01 p.m. Test message EAS open cap EAS feed configuration test message.
Now we wrap up April with a bang. Well, this concludes April's final RWT on AM/FM. The last RWT from NWS was on April 24th. So, today, yeah, we're going to wrap up April this month. But, well, this month was not as very active as I thought. As I unfortunately did not even get as much alert as I thought this month in April. But however, because on April 27th and April 28th are the 13-year anniversary of the 2011 super outbreak, I decided to catch alerts from the moderate risk for Oklahoma City and Tulsa, which is the only exception I can use. They're only on special occasions. I can only do EAS captures on TV so that way I don't have to use my laptop or anything like that. So for the past 2 days on April 27th and the 28th, I caught a total of 22 alerts to make up for that. That's why I'm just want to get that. Because I'm only doing it once, and I'm only doing the only exception I could do EAS streams is only on tornado outbreak special occasions, only once in a while. Because I can only do it for once in a while. It will definitely never happen again. But this won't. The only exception is only once in a while. That's it. So that's going to wrap up April's RWT. See you all for the next one.